You're gonna love the 2018 INFINITI QX30. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a forward-thinking QX30 that's ready to infuse your daily drive with a fresh feeling of modern luxury. Versatile, upscale, and agile, this masterfully crafted compact SUV turns heads wherever it goes. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, electronic stability control, seat memory, stability control. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.